I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, how are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. And if you're old to my channel, hi love, you already know who I am. It's your girl, back again for another video. And if you're wondering, yes, this is my natural hair. If you haven't seen it, here it is. I'm trying so hard to transition. I'm in my transitioning phase, and I'll be doing some of my transitioning on my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. A lot of things are going on. We just celebrated our 1 year on August 17th, and by the time you see this, it'll be way past August 17th. I'm so sorry, but yeah, today I'm giving you this pink, red, purple, gold look, and it's fit for every occasion. A mid-cut crease, and it's bomb. It's cutthroat. It's there. It's in your face. It's cutthroat. Period, sis. And let's go, because you know you want to see this tutorial. So let's go.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Alright guys, let's get started with the Milani Cosmetics Easy Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I did my brows offline. I'm just going to use the LA Colors Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to carve out my brows. After that, I'll be using the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow for my brows, just to hold these things into place, because they are curly and they go everywhere. I kid you not, they go everywhere. So yeah. Next, I'll be using Makeup Revolution's concealer in the shade C4, and I'm just priming my eyes. Also, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Topaz Obsessions, and with that red color, I'm just stamping that into my eyes. I'm just trying to get a really deep and solid red on my lid before I go in with the different shades. So this red, I really love this color. It shows up very pigmented, especially when I prime my eyes. Before, it is very, very pigmented. Huda Beauty does a good job at that. Next, I'll be using that brown color right there, and I'm just making a transition shade. We're doing a mid-cut crease, so we're going to go from tear duct over the lid and back within the crease. So, and I'm going to cut crease next, and I'm just making this and blending this all together. So now I'll be using the Morphe brush M124. Right now I'm showing you what the brush looks like. You do not have to go get this brush, but as long as you get a flat rounded brush or an angle brush, this will help with this mid-cut crease. And what I'm doing is I'm drawing a line mid-lid and then opening my eyes just quite softly to show you where my crease starts and where it ends. So wherever that concealer lays on my lid, then that's where I would brush the line midway. It's gonna be like an ombre effect, but starting mid in your eyes. Like, it's so cool. I love it. So yeah, I'll be taking that glittery rose gold shade. I really thought that was really pretty to start off with, and so that gave me a really good shimmer. And then after that, I go in with the gold right in the middle of there to like give it a more ombre effect. So it'll be rose gold on the outside, gold in the middle, and then I'm just blending so you can get that really pretty rose gold ombre effect. So again, you don't have to do it this way. Like, you could literally use one color, but I wanted it to be like three-dimensional. But you know, I love colors and love different ombre effects. Then after, I'm taking that red color again and just dapping eyeshadow there to blend it in. And the dap, it really is key because it gets rid of those harsh lines of where I did a cut crease. Next, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Baecae set. And in my Baecae set, I took out Hottie Alert. And this is a really pink shade. It's my first time using this, guys. And I really fell in love with it. I fell in love with it. Fenty has done so great. And honestly, Rihanna can take all my money because all of her products are amazing. Now I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner Pencil. I use this eyeliner pencil so much. I have other eyeliner pencils, but this one is so much easier for tutorials. But I really love this eyeliner pencil. It's just easy to use. And just to set my eyelashes, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara by makeupshayla. And yes, make sure you guys check the description box below. Right now I'm using the Luxe K lashes in the Flirtatious. I actually have a code for you guys. If you guys look below, you can see where these lashes come from. So now I'm taking my Pixi Beauty eyeliner in a black noir. And I'm just lining my eyes. I love this liner. It's so creamy. Now I'm taking my Makeup Forever foundation in Y505. And I'm just going to, put foundation on my face. This was the perfect shade. Like, no, I didn't have to blend it. I was so scared that I needed to blend it. But it was so perfect. And it matched my skin tone to a T. I was kind of scared, but it looked amazing. Now I'm using my LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn again. I love this shade. Love it, love it, love it. And y'all know how I like to conceal. I like to do a slight contoured look, but not really contoured. And I'm just taking my beauty blender, and we know we're gonna blend that out because, it's gotta be blended. And guys, key is do not wet your sponge when you're blending. You don't have to wet your sponge at all. If you have a super soft sponge, it's gonna absorb that concealer. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Hazelnut. I love this setting powder. Us with melanin skin, women of color, we need setting powder that has a melanin tone to it. So this setting powder does not wipe me out. A lot of other setting powders or banana powders wipe me out. So using this setting powder, I don't look too ashy, which I appreciate so much. Thank you, Fenty. Next, I'm using Fenty again in my bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty to finish off my contour look. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution's blush palette, and I'm taking that blush right there. I love that blush palette, guys. I use it all the time. My highlight, Morphe Spark, and I'm talking about bad, girl. I'm talking about bad highlight in my face. I'm telling you, I'm trying to light up somebody's day, and when I did it, I'm talking about to the nose, to the cheeks, to the crevices of my nose, to the lips, everywhere, in my tear ducts, on my forehead, everywhere. I just tried to light up somebody's day, period, sis, to make me cutthroat. Y'all don't understand. Now I'm using my Smashbox Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Plum, and this is going to do an ombre effect. We have ombre effects everywhere, so we're doing ombre effects on my lips, and I'm just shading in the corners of my lips. After that, I'm using Smashbox again. The lipstick is called Babe Alert, because I am a babe, period, sis, period. And I'm just going to use my lips to blend out this. And that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell button. Comment down below. Let me know what you like about my channel, what you like about this look, what other looks you want to see. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. Bye.